Now we are going to procure the tools for this operation. We will begin by printing the drill plate. Before we are able to print this tool, we need to prepare it in our slicing software called Eiger. We can take a CAD model in STL format, determine the orientation and material selection, then view the internal tool paths and selectively reinforce layers with continuous carbon fiber. Then we can select a printer and seamlessly start the print. After I receive a notification that my print is finished, I can walk over to the printer and easily remove it off of the print bed. Then we need to do some light post-processing steps to prepare the tool to be used on the shop floor. First, we are going to remove the tearaway supports, which can easily be done with a set of hand pliers. Then we are going to use a contrast filler to make the text more distinct from the part for tool number identification and operating instructions. And finally, we will heat press in serrated drill bushings into the tool using a soldering iron.